confession, I am one of those who used to criticize Nigeria so much. Please let everybody have a change of heart. Nigeria is very, very great. If you have not gone there, Yoruba will say, ọmọ tí wọn kọ nílé alọjẹgba níta. Please, let's be a lesson for all of us. Nigeria is very great. Thank you very much, man.
So again, that should be repeated, and we're going to be working with you to pass that message across to every Nigerian. This is a warning and a lesson for everybody. So like I said, we're going to be sending something to all your accounts on behalf of us here, and I'm sure there will be many more Nigerians who will be willing to help you. We'll get you that help through them. We'll get all your account numbers individually and make sure you have something to keep you going until the next job comes and your compensation is paid.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Manja.
What caused the video is that on the 13th of June, they stopped operation. So when they stopped operation, we moved all the equipment down to the camp. So from the camp, that very day, they took 4 Chinese away to Bangui. So we are left with 2 Chinese and the other Nigerian. And I told the Chinese, because he was not with us in that site, he was in Bangui. So I now told him that, what about the salary? He said we should not worry. Although many times when we are working, we say we pay. So the salary started accumulating. So he get April, I think March, he paid the first salary, which he gave some people full salary and some people maybe 85%. He said that by next month he's going to pay everything. Okay, the following month he paid full salary. So since then he has stopped. He's not paying. And during that time when we stopped production on the 13th, he evacuated the Chinese. So he now gave us 100,000 sefa. The 12 of us that we should use it to eat. And I asked him that this 100,000 cannot sustain us. He said, there's nothing, okay, this thing, okay. Okay, bring our passport. Even at all, if you did not put visa, bring the passport. Let me have the passport so that I can give all these boys, so that the tension can go down. They will know that not that you purposely see this passport from us. He said, okay, that we send Amos to bring the passport, this and that, and now call Demola, which is the general manager. I told him now, the situation now is getting out of hand. Please tell Mr. Wu to bring our passport.
But why were they holding on to your passport?
I don't know. You understand? So I said they should bring the passport, and they said today, tomorrow, this and that. So that was how the passport was withheld.
But some of us were homosexually molested by Chinese.
In Bangui.
Let me repeat it.
Say it where? In Bangui?
Yeah, in the site there.
The site.
And they are in Nigeria now, and they were unjustly relieved of their duty when they complained. I'm talking about 3 Nigerians and 1 Cameroonians. So all these things now, at least if let the activities of these investors at least be investigated sometimes. If not so, if that continues, like what I'm saying, that the person that molested our Nigerian people now has gone back to China. If he goes there, tell his Chinese friends that he can come to Africa, molest them sexually.
Can you tell us what you mean by sexually molesting?
No, homosexual.
Homosexually molesting. Now, this very Chinese will expose himself, stay in the bedroom, and invite a worker to come inside, bathe him, touch his stuff till he. And when they complained, everyone here is. I don't want to cover this up because it is inhuman. It is not right. It is not right. I don't know which religion would belong to. It is not right. What I'm afraid of is that I don't know about if he goes away and spread that rumor, just like if these people escape without paying our salary, it will only spread. It is not an isolated issue. Thank you very much, please, sir.
Very bright and happy back home in Nigeria. And you have my number. I've been in touch with you, communicating with you. So stay, we will be in touch with you and ensure that, everything is fine with you. Welcome home.
Right.
Sorry about the experiences we went through, but that's why you have us here at the Nigerian Diaspora Commission. We're going to take it up. Particularly, the experience we went through it's inhumane. It's inhuman. So we'll see the reps here and we'll take it up as much as we can. But we're glad you're home.
Thank you.
Put the experience, learn from the experience, put it behind more, we'll demand for justice for you. Put it, and I'm sure when we tell them here, they should be able to find those people and give them the right kind of treatment. So life itself is an experience. But the most important thing, you are alive to tell your stories. You are home.